Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, this cool model right here, basically what this is a mini tripod selfie stick that's used for your GoPro device. If you guys can see, this is basically what the packaging looks like. Let me actually open up and show you guys what's included inside first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this is what it looks like inside. So they provide you guys the little screw that's used to screw on the product to make sure it's tight onto the tripod selfie stick. Once we take off that layer right there, you guys can see the actual product right there. So let's take it out. Alright, so once we take it out, you can see that this is basically what the product looks like. So basically like a mini tripod that's used like a selfie stick. It's not like super long or anything. So what you guys want to do is just pull it out like this. And that is how far it can go. So literally it is a mini tripod selfie stick. It's not like the super long one like I mentioned. So all you guys need to do is screw it on the part right here and just put on the screw right here. So I'm actually put it on first. So I just want to open up this part right here and want to put it inside right here. And then we're going to put the screws on. So just like this and screw it in all the way. So once you guys have it in, this is basically what the product looks like. So not only can you guys use like a selfie stick right here, but if you guys open up the legs right here in the bottom part, you guys actually use like a tripod as well, if you guys can see, which is pretty cool. And then when you guys are done using this option right here, or if you guys don't want to use this option, just close it back up. And then it's all set with that part. And when you guys feel the material on here, it definitely feels really nice. It's definitely very smooth as well. If you guys can see on the bottom right here, it definitely has a little bit of like a non-slip material as well. So when you guys open it up, you don't have to worry about it moving around or slipping around as well. But I definitely love how lightweight the product is and how compact it is as well. So you guys can literally just fold it back up like this and then just put this into your bag or pockets and use it when you guys need to, which is pretty cool. The way how they design this product is super convenient for people who want to do like solo travel or like just vlogging in general because of how compact it is. Like let's say you guys want to just vlog like this, but if it's like too close to you guys can always extend it, make it a little bit further away, and it's also loosen up this part right here to move it this way, and then close it back up and just vlog like that as well if you guys want to. So for this product, you are not limited to just using it for GoPro devices. As long as you guys can plug in this option right here, then you can definitely use it in that situation as well. So maybe like your Osmo devices or some other device that can plug that option right here, it should definitely work on here as well. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we're unboxing and testing on the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product in particular, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially like I mentioned earlier, if you guys are trying to look for a mini tripod that also works as a selfie stick, so you guys can use this when you guys are traveling, or if you guys just want to do like a little vlog on your table or something. It actually works really well as a desktop tripod as well. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want, or don't need one, or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.